all, welcome or welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be creating this easy, beautiful and bold look for Valentine's Day. Hope you like it. Those who want to know how I created this look, so watch till the end and let's start. Alright, so I've already washed my face and prepped my skin with moisturizer, toner and a sunscreen. So let's start with the makeup. So for foundation, I will be using Lakme 925cc Cream Foundation, which is in the shade number 1 Peach. So what I do, I take some amount in my hand and then mix with the moisturizer. And then mix it with the moisturizer. And for blending this, I am using a damp sponge. The next step I'll use Faces Can Enter compact powder. I will apply it also together. So for my eyes, मैं करूँगी a smoky touch with a blue eyeshadow. So let's see how it goes. So first step है, I will be applying this yellow tape like a crease. Now I apply Kajal in this part only at the last corner and will just gently blend it. Now for a darker touch, again apply it on this. Now again blend it. Now at this place, apply black shade. Now apply blue shade on the eyelid. Now with the glittery blue shade, apply it wherever you apply the blue shade. Now apply liner with the selected crease only. And slowly take off this crease. Next step, we'll apply some concealer at the crease. Next step, we'll apply mascara to it. I am using the Colossal Mayebelline Muscara. Let's do the next eye. So I'm done with my eyes. Hope you all like it. For next, for my lips, I'm using this brown shade. So this is my final look, everybody. It is a very bold, sexy and the appropriate look for Valentine's Day. Instead of giving this blue color, you may also do this orange with this shimmer shade, or this green with this one green. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the next video. Till then,